The extinction of the dinosaurs around 66 million years ago remains one of the most fascinating mysteries in Earth's history. Scientists have proposed several major theories to explain what led to this mass extinction, most of which focus on dramatic environmental disruptions at the end of the Cretaceous period. Asteroid Impact Theory, Chicxulub Impact. This is the most widely supported theory. It suggests that a massive asteroid struck Earth near present-day Chicxulub in Mexico. The impact caused massive fires, tsunamis, and threw so much debris into the atmosphere that sunlight was blocked for months or years. This led to a dramatic drop in temperature and disrupted the global climate, leading to the collapse of food chains. Volcanic activity, Deccan traps. Around the same time as the asteroid impact, enormous volcanic eruptions occurred in what is now India. These eruptions released huge amounts of lava, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. The gases may have caused long-term climate change, including warming and acid rain, which would have stressed ecosystems. Climate change. Even before the asteroid and volcanic events, the Earth was undergoing climate changes. Temperatures were cooling and sea levels were fluctuating. These environmental shifts could have already put pressure on dinosaur populations, making them more vulnerable to sudden catastrophic events. Multiple causes. Theory. Some scientists believe it wasn't just one factor but a combination of several, like asteroid impact, volcanic activity, and climate change, that together led to the mass extinction. Each factor may have compounded the effects of the others. Disease or ecosystem disruption. A less widely supported idea is that widespread disease or changes in plant and animal communities could have contributed. New pathogens or competition from evolving mammals may have affected some species, but there's little concrete evidence for this being a primary cause. Ocean acidification. One consequence of both the asteroid impact and volcanic activity could have been a rapid increase in ocean acidity. When carbon dioxide dissolves in seawater, it forms carbonic acid, which can be harmful to marine life, particularly organisms with calcium carbonate shells. The collapse of marine ecosystems would have had a cascading effect on the entire food web, further stressing global biodiversity. Darkened skies and photosynthesis collapse. The asteroid impact likely threw vast amounts of dust and soot into the atmosphere, significantly blocking sunlight. This impact winter would have halted photosynthesis for weeks or months, killing plants and plankton, the base of most food chains. With vegetation and oceanic producers gone, herbivores and eventually carnivores starved. Survival of certain species. While non-avian dinosaurs went extinct, many other species survived, including birds, which are considered avian dinosaurs, crocodilians, and mammals. This suggests that smaller body size, burrowing habits, and generalist diets may have played a role in survival during the harsh conditions that followed the extinction events. Selective extinction patterns. Fossil evidence shows that not all species were affected equally. Large terrestrial animals like dinosaurs were especially hard hit, while some smaller species survived. This pattern supports the idea that sudden environmental changes disproportionately affected larger organisms that required more food and had slower reproductive rates. Fossil record evidence. A distinct layer of iridium-rich clay found worldwide, called the Cretaceous Paleogene (KP) boundary, supports the asteroid theory. Iridium is rare on Earth's surface but common in asteroids, indicating a massive extraterrestrial impact. This layer often contains shocked quartz and spherules, both signs of a high-energy collision. Ongoing research and debate. Despite widespread agreement about the asteroid impact's role, scientists continue to investigate how different factors may have interacted. New fossil discoveries, more accurate dating techniques, and climate modeling are helping to clarify the timeline and effects of each event. The extinction of the dinosaurs remains a complex puzzle with multiple contributing causes. Thanks for watching.